Watch until the end for the giveaway information.
Hey guys, PMHK here, obviously. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome and welcome to 2021. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do just that, and also make sure you click that notification bells button, so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Now, in this video, we're going to be looking at the Redmi Note 9, which I have right here in front of me, and it also comes with Me True Wireless Earbuds Basic 2, which you're probably going to be looking at them on a separate video. So let me just remove it here from the package itself. Let's do this. All right, so we'll put this on the side somewhere. Okay, let's put it up there, and we're going to take a look at the Redmi. Now, this is a Xiaomi phone, Redmi Note 9. It comes with actually a couple of different models. There's the 9C, there is the 9, there's the Note 9, which is the one that I have here with me, and you also have the Note 9 Pro. Now, this is actually the sweet spot when it comes to this device in terms of obviously the specification of the device and how the device itself is going to run. Now, they've also included a Redmi Note 9 tempered glass for that screen protection. The box of the device itself, you have some of the color, the color variant that this device comes with. The one that I have here with me is the white model, which they call the Polar White. It's a 3 gig RAM and 64 gig ROM device. Now, in the box, that's basically all you have. Redmi Note 9 with easy access to the Google app you use most. I don't know if they're taking a crack out of Huawei, since Huawei, I think until now, hasn't gotten the Google apps back to their system devices. But let's see what comes inside the box, because that's what we're here for. Come on. There we go. So inside the box, you should expect maybe the phone, the charger, maybe some earbuds, and an extra case for you to protect your phone, which is actually what I think that comes in this little container here, which I'm already opening it wrong. So I was right. In this little packet there, we have the starting guide, user guide, and the warranty card, and we have this plastic case here, or plastic cover, which will allow you to protect your phone. Actually, I think most Android devices actually include a case or a cover already inside the box, which is actually a bonus. Let's remove the phone, and there is the phone in its glory. And furthermore, you have the USB-C cable, charging cable, and you have the power brick for fast charging. Let's see how fast this guy will charge, if I can do this without damaging my eyes. So it will charge up to 22.5 watt, which is basically fast charging, just like the iPhone Pro, iPhone 12 Pro. The iPad also comes with a 20 watts charger in the box. And yeah, that's about all that you will get in the box. Let's see if there's something else. Now, that's basically all that you get in the box. Now, for the phone itself, you have some of the specification of the phone here, as most of Android actually companies do. This is a 48 megapixel AI quad camera phone. It also has a 13 megapixel in a display front camera. The battery inside, I always get asked the battery, what about the battery? I think most or two of my past videos where I didn't really talk much about the battery, I was asked what about the battery. So this guy comes with a 5020 milliamp battery, and it's capable of 18 watts fast charging. It has a display of 6.53 full HD dot display. It uses Corning Gorilla Glass 5. It comes with a Helio G85, that's the processor inside, which should be actually good enough for this phone, and it has a 12 nanometer high efficiency processor on the inside. At the back you have some papers, and that's basically it. So let's unbox this phone. Unbox, unplastic it, unplug it. Let's remove the plastic out of this device. All right, ASMR. There we go. So we have that out of the way. So there you have it. It actually comes with a little screen protection already installed. Okay, so the device is booting. All right, powered by Android. So I'm gonna do the initial setup and I'm gonna come back to you guys once it's all done. So the phone is all start up and booted. I've already done the initial setup process, which didn't really take much time. And as I was actually doing the initial setup, what I realized also is that this guy has actually a really subtle and nice, close to Apple standard haptic feedback when it comes to input. That's mainly to say that the vibration motors on this device are actually really, they feel premium, which is actually something good that I like on Android devices. One other thing that I actually like on Android devices is when it comes to typing, it also gives you feedback. It actually vibrates each time you press a key, which we actually don't get on the Apple side of things. But yeah, we here, this guy is using the MIUI 11. Let's just go to its setting and see what else we can find out about the device itself. If I can actually manage to go to the app library, or the setting is actually right there. I'm guessing they don't really have an app library like you would have in normal Android OS. About the phone, this phone, as I mentioned, is using the global MIUI 11.0.1. Let me just show you guys also the lock, as I actually suspect that this guy here is a Touch ID. Is a Touch ID sensor. Touch ID is Apple's one, but it's a Touch ID sensor. If I have it on, press, it goes inside the phone. But if I have it locked also and I press touch the Touch ID, it also unlocks and goes directly inside the phone itself. Now, this device feels really, really premium. Again, it's the Note line of the device, although it's not a Pro, but it should actually feel as good as the Pro. I think the main difference between this and the Pro is that the Pro comes with 4 gigabytes of RAM, and this guy comes with 3 gigabytes. I think also the screen resolution is going to change. This guy is actually also attracting a lot of fingerprint on it. So this is actually when the cover becomes handy. In terms of the camera features that they have on this device, you have slow motion, you have short video, you also have a photo, you have the 48 megapixel Ultra HD also, that's actually turns it on. You have portrait, you have night mode, you have panorama, and then you have the Pro, which is probably going to give you more control over the settings of the camera itself. But for this quick test, we're going to use the photo, and then we're going to use the 48 megapixel. Using the photo, let's lift this guy up, which is a little bit dusty. Let's take a picture. Say cheese, fire extinguisher. It's a decent camera. It's not a wow camera, but surely it's a decent camera under a controlled environment, which is the one I basically have here. Let's use the 48 megapixel one. I don't really know what's the difference, but it says 48 megapixel Ultra HD is on, which means I'm going to be, wow, I think there is kind of a difference. I'm gonna be able to see more of the difference in when I transfer the picture to the computer. Let's take that. All right, now let's take another one, but this time we're going to be in portrait mode. All right, depth effect. Okay, let's see. Wow, that's actually it's actually really good. Let's put this guy back. Thank you for your participation. For you guys that are actually watching this video That's me on the kitchen setup. Let's take it all up to 1080p and blow up the screen into full screen. Now, as you guys can see, actually one thing that I normally like about these hole punched camera on the corner is that it's much better than the one that comes in the center of the screen, top center of the screen, because it actually doesn't cover much when it's down there in the corner. Now it actually gets really bright. It has a good screen. It has a good screen. Let's around July 17. Sorry for my handwriting. That's July 17. Okay, so the audio is only firing from the bottom. It doesn't have the dual audio output like most other devices have. Overall, a really solid device. I like the build quality of it. Even the weight of the device actually screams premium. And one thing that actually was amazed with, apart from the MIUI 11 itself, which is actually a clean software, was the haptic feedback that this device comes with. Now, I know that Android devices actually are not really known to be good when it comes to the vibration motors that comes inside, unless you're talking about the really high-end Samsung devices, which those devices are actually 3 to 4 times the price of this guy here. But I am happy with the overall build quality and functionality of the Note 9. So for the giveaway, I'm gonna be giving away this device here, the Redmi Note 9, to one of you guys. And to enter, this is what you have to do. Make sure you like this video and you like the corresponding post on Instagram. Make sure you're following me here on YouTube. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Tag 2 friends over on Instagram. Share any of my content on your Instagram story or on Twitter and tag me. Basically what you need to do, for example, on Instagram, go to your stories and share maybe a post that I have on my Instagram account or a post of you watching any of my YouTube videos, and make sure you tag me. You can do the same thing over on Twitter, and also just remember to tag me. Now, it's important for you to tag me because the way I'm going to be picking the winner is mainly on the basis of who shares the most. Hence, you can repeat step 4 and 5 on the daily for extra entries, and I'm going to be picking a winner when this video reaches 1,000 likes, or maybe roughly plus minus a month. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure, obviously, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you do just that. Make sure you click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Also give this video a like, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. Peace.